Hey guys, Neil Kelly with Keystone Outback District Sales Manager, and today we're going to go over the all-new 271 UFK front kitchen Outback Ultralight. Welcome inside the Outback 271 UFK front kitchen. You're in a 27-foot box here, front kitchen up front, king bed in the back. What's amazing about this coach is the pantry space that we have here, as well as this massive countertop, beautiful windows, lets in that light. And then we have upgraded features as far as our 17-inch Furrion backlit stove, 3-burner cooktop, and our new 12-volt 10-cube refrigerator, paired up with the Furrion Low Pro hood vent with the 1-cube microwave. Now let's take a look at the living area. The living space in this 271 UFK presents a beautiful Dream Dinette system here and our theater seats. The Dream Dinette system easily functions into a second sleeping area for the little ones, as well as adds additional storage that is fully framed out. Moving on from our Dream Dinette, we have our Thomas Paine theater seat recliners, as well as our beautiful updated RV entertainment system here. 36-inch fireplace, 40-inch TV, and guys, our hidden control panel right here. Just a couple things real quick. We've gone to the Girard on-demand tankless water heater, as well as new for this year, our tank heaters in all ultralights and premium Outbacks. And the best part in a 27-foot box is, again, the storage right inside the door. Now let's go check out the bedroom. Another great feature on this coach is the beautiful king bed slide here in the master. You are in a 27-foot box here, beautiful massive front kitchen, as well as a king bed slide here. You also have an entry point into the unit from the bedroom and from the living room, as well as 2 entry points into the bathroom, through the bedroom, and also through the living room. And then looking back here, we have plenty of storage in our overhead wardrobe, as well as our bank of drawers here in this 27-foot box. Thank you for watching. If you want more great content, log on keystonerv.com/Outback.